Hello everyone. Welcome to Slow English Listening Practice. If you want to improve your English, listening and reading together is very important. Many learners try to study grammar first, but listening is the foundation of language learning. When you listen to English every day, your ears become familiar with the sounds, rhythm, and pronunciation of the language. Reading at the same time helps you understand the words and sentences. Repeating the sentences helps you speak more naturally and confidently. So, in this video, I will read the story slowly. Please listen carefully, read along with the text, and repeat the sentences if you can. Little by little, your English listening and speaking will improve. Now let's begin our slow English story. Hello everyone. Today we will listen to a slow English story. Please relax and listen carefully. If you want, you can read with me. Today I want to talk about a simple day at home. Every day I wake up early in the morning. Usually I wake up at 6 o'clock. The morning is quiet and peaceful. I like the morning very much. When I wake up, I open the window. Fresh air comes into the room. I take a deep breath and smile. It is a new day. After that, I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. Then I make breakfast. My breakfast is usually simple. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat rice and vegetables. And sometimes I eat fruit. I also drink coffee or tea. Breakfast gives me energy. It helps me start the day well. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes and wipe the table. I like to keep my house clean. Then I sit in the living room. I read a book or check my phone. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to English stories. Listening to English helps me learn. It improves my listening skills. It also helps me learn new words. Learning English is important for me. English is an international language. People around the world speak English. When we know English, we can travel more easily. We can talk to people from different countries. We can also watch movies and read books in English. Learning English is not always easy. Sometimes it feels difficult. Sometimes we do not understand everything. But that is okay. Learning takes time. If we practice every day, we improve little by little. After resting in the living room, I start my work. Sometimes I work on my computer. Sometimes I study English. When I study English, I like to read slowly. Reading slowly helps me understand better. I also like to repeat sentences. Repeating sentences helps my speaking. It improves my pronunciation. Sometimes I go outside for a walk. Walking is good for the body and the mind. After my walk, I go back home. Then I prepare dinner. Dinner is my favorite meal of the day. In the evening, my family is at home. We eat together and talk about our day. After dinner, we sometimes watch TV together. Sometimes we talk and drink tea. Before I go to bed, I study English again. I listen to English stories and practice speaking. Little by little, my English becomes better. Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing English every day. See you in the next story. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Practice. Please relax and listen carefully. You can also read along with me. Today we will talk about a very common activity in the United States. We will talk about going to the grocery store. People in the United States often go to grocery stores. A grocery store is a place where people buy food. Most people go to the grocery store once or twice a week. They buy food for their homes and their families. Many grocery stores in the United States are very large. Inside the store, there are many different sections. For example, there is a fruit and vegetable section. There is also a dairy section. There is a meat section. There are shelves with bread, snacks, and drinks. When people enter the grocery store, they usually take a shopping cart. A shopping cart is a small metal cart with wheels. People push the cart around the store while shopping. First, many people go to the fruit and vegetable area. Here they can find apples, bananas, oranges, and many other fruits. They can also find vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, and potatoes. Fresh fruits and vegetables are important for healthy meals. After that, people often go to the dairy section. In this section they can buy milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. Milk is very common in American homes. Many people drink milk with breakfast. Next, people go to the bread section. Here they can buy bread, bagels, and rolls. Bread is often used to make sandwiches. After that, people may go to the meat section. They can buy chicken, beef, pork, or fish. Some people also buy frozen food. Frozen food is kept in large freezers in the store. Frozen vegetables, frozen pizza, and ice cream are very popular. While shopping, people look at prices. They try to find good deals and save money. After collecting everything they need, people go to the checkout area. At the checkout, a cashier scans each item. The cashier tells the customer the total price. Customers can pay with cash, a debit card, or a credit card. Many grocery stores now have self-checkout machines. At self-checkout, customers scan the items themselves. After paying, customers place their food into bags. In many stores, employees help bag the groceries. Then customers take the bags to their cars. After returning home, people unpack the groceries. They place fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator. They put frozen food in the freezer. They place dry food in the kitchen cabinets. Now the kitchen is ready for cooking. Cooking at home is very common in the United States. Families often prepare meals together. Thank you for listening to today's Slow English story. Keep practicing your English every day. See you next time.